greenhouse gas emissions and fuel costs can be reduced by decreasing the aircraft weight. One key way to do this is the use of composite structures for the wings and fuselage. However, current manufacturing methods within the aircraft industry are labor-intensive and costly. To satisfy the growing and competitive market, new process solutions are needed. High-pressure resin transfer molding, HP-RTM, will enhance processing efficiency for structural aircraft components with regard to costs and cycle time. Initiated by the strategic cooperation between Hengrui Corporation and Fraunhofer ICT, an industrial consortium demonstrated the feasibility of the HP-RTM process for the manufacturing of structural aircraft components. The developed process chain consists of a fabric-based preforming concept with sequential stamp draping, followed by a high-pressure resin transfer molding step, completed by the final trimming of the component. Key partners along the entire process chain were involved. The HP-RTM process chain was built up and validated at Fraunhofer ICT's facilities. Automated CNC cutting of the carbon textile from SGL ensures maximum accuracy. A reproducible handling of the fabric stack ensures that the quality requirements are met. Fiber orientation is the key element of composite parts and can be controlled by the sequential stamp draping concept. The stable preform can be demolded after curing of the binder system. The preforming step from part to part takes less than 10 minutes. A reproducible resin impregnation requires high-quality preforms. Ultrasonic trimming ensures minimum tolerance for the preform. The HP-RTM mold is manufactured by Alpex Technologies within the Sparta project, which is part of the Austrian takeoff program. Huntsman's Aerodyte FAF2 system provides suitable characteristics for aerospace applications. The final trimming of the component can be carried out efficiently by Hufschmied. The project demonstrated that the HP-RTM process can be transferred to the aerospace industry. The highest quality standards can be met, and the production efficiency is increased to satisfy future demands.